Welcome to the Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Today we're doing a Ford Pantera. Tyco Pro. We just love Tyco Pro here. Yes, we do. Pro 2. Pro 1, not so much. They're a little finicky. These wipers are a little finicky. But we'll get it over the track and we'll get her going. I'll bring her right here and we'll put her on the dyno. So today we have a Ford Pantera. These cars are actually made in Italy, I think, and exported back here to the U.S. Something like that, anyway. Let's put her on the dyno and see how she does. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, check her out here. There she is right there, number 25, 24, 25. These are both Panteras. Ford Pantera, 1972, Tyco Pro, 8816. Part number is a 2 on availability. It's kind of rare. Silver black. Ford Pantera. Like I said, pretty sure they were made in Italy. Not too bad, 237. Maybe it might hit 240. Wow. That's pretty dang good for low voltage, 75. Wow. Okay, let's put a little oil on this. Well, you know what? I'm going to clean up these brushes. Wipers, whatever you want to call them. Puts 100% silicone lubricant on it. Put some Novus, number 1, plastic clean and shine. Don't use number 2 or number 3. Not on slot cars. Take the paint, decals, take everything right off of it. I think she's running pretty smooth for a Tyco Pro. Pretty smooth for a Tyco Pro. 27 to 32, yeah. Let's see if we can get her to go a little faster with the body on it. 236, 237, that's not too bad. Not bad at all for a Tyco Pro. 38, you get 40 out of it. Nope. $39. There we go. Here we got 240 out of it. And not too bad. For an old Tyco Pro. This is like the third generation of the Tyco Pro. First generation had a black pan with white letters on it. Well, actually, I'm not sure if that was the first or the second. One of them had white letters, one of them just had Tyco Pro. It was all black. Take it over to the track, take her for a few laps. Woo. That's the wrong side. Alright, here we go. Gonna need to turn this down. I have no idea where to put it for these. Yeah, not where it's at anyway. There goes the porta potties. Okay, now what's wrong? He's a drifter. I think this car has too much motor in it. There you have it, folks. Ford Pantera. Pretty cool car. There is a black pan, and Tyco Pro is stamped into it, and they make one like this that has Tyco Pro in white letters. Which ones came first? I think these came first. These came last on a Tyco Pro because Tyco Pro have these as well, the brass pans. So that's a pretty cool car. Not much detail. It does have a chrome rear pipes and bumper, and not even a bumper. It's a rear pipe system, and it's got red tail lights in the back and a black license plate and amber front lights. That's all the detail it really has. Pretty cool car. Glad you guys came in. Check it out. Hope you liked it. Leave me a comment about this car, whether you like it, dislike it. If you're racing against two of these against each other and they're about the same speed, that's a lot of fun. Appreciate you guys coming in. If you ain't signed up, sign up. I don't know why you're not. And hit the bell, get notified. Appreciate it. I have a new opening video coming out. I already have it, and it's out at 1 o'clock, so it's already out. Today's Monday, 1:27 p.m. It came out at 1 o'clock. I'm going to move it and put it in my opening video before tomorrow. This will be out tomorrow. This is Tyco Tuesday. Yeah, happy Tyco Tuesday. And appreciate you guys all coming in, checking out the video. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.